Hello everyone, this is Faim Muntasir. I have come up with a new video for especially for WP Guidant user. You might face difficulties while setting up the result of your guide, and well, the guide should be maintained as a proper way, otherwise the customer will not understand or not find the right result from here. So we will set it up as proper as possible. So let's go to our Guidant dashboard. We have already come up here, and this is the so let's choose this specific guide to show to make customize the result setting. So let's choose it from here. Just go to the guide setting, and there are also lots of options for, as you can see. Just choose the result setting here, and here is the options. So choose here, you can customize the result numbers here. So just tap to the maximum results and change it. Let's save it as number one. We want to show a single result here, so just tap to the save changes. And we already placed this guide on this page to show you. So let's go to our page and refresh it. Well, this is our guide. So tap to the tap your options, then well, as you can see, it shows only one single result here. So we already set it, that's why it's showing that. And now let's set it as number 5 and tap to the save changes option. Let's refresh the page here and choose it from here and click on show result. As you can see, it changes and it shows 5 result, maximum 5 results here. So you already understand that you can easily change it based on your requirement. You might have lots of 100 and 1000 products, so you have to choose them based on your requirement. We also will come up with another features like pagination to make your result more uh, convenient for the user. So this is the very easiest setting to set the result. I hope this video will really helpful for you, and if you face any difficulties with WP Guidance, just comment below. We will give you a full solutions for that. And also stay updated with WPCommerz YouTube channel. We will give you lots of insights about WP Guidance features, benefits, and new updates. So thank you. This is all for today.